I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your HBO Max subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your HBO Max account. Start by visiting the HBO Max website or opening the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Subscription. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscription section. This is where you can manage your billing and subscription details. Step 4. Cancel Auto Renewal. Find the option to cancel auto renewal. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any messages that pop up, as they may provide important information about your subscription status. Quick gotcha: if you don't see the option, make sure you're not logged in with a different account or using a third-party service like Amazon or Apple. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for confirmation message from HBO Max. This will ensure that the auto renewal has been successfully cancelled. Now you're all set. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.